Okay, so this is the cabinet that was donated to us. See, the drawer kind of falls in there. And this is the cabinet that was taken out of the wall, stripped completely. And as you can see, we have no cabinet doors or drawers, except for maybe these. So you gotta kind of go in here and pull out. It's our oven, which, as you can see, we have to keep unplugged, because if we were to keep it plugged in, our oven would stay on and we'd probably explode. So this is the hole above our oven. Great big hole. And this is the one next to it, where the cabinet used to be, but our shower leaked through to the kitchen. Right here. And here's the towels so that our sink doesn't leak through the bottom. This is the hole that leads to the outside of the house. Right there, you see it. And the bottom right here is all rotten from all the water. This is our dishwasher that doesn't exactly fit into underneath the counter, so that sucks. And again, no doors, but a drawer without a door. This is our refrigerator. It's also broken. As you can see, we can kind of just pull out here and pick if we want ice or water. Isn't that convenient? And then here's some extra cabinet space because we need a lot of it. We're a house of 12.